Officially made it into the dream battles, man. The rest of these battles with Bree are gonna be dream battles. So you already know. So we officially made it to dream battle territory with this dude. And yeah, dude, we got Bree versus Chance, dude. You already know. So we got Bree's Hammer Dranzer taking on Blizzard Thrasher. Yeah, Blizzard Thrasher's not done yet. So there's technically two different versions of Blizzard Thrasher. So yeah, well there's technically two different versions of Blizzard Thrasher. So we have the OG Thrasher. So you already know. So I might do both versions. I might do like a separate video on the other version. I don't know. I'll think about it. But we got the OG Blizzard Thrasher. I can't even talk. We got the OG Blizzard Thrasher. There's so many versions of Blizzard Thrasher. It's honestly crazy, and stuff. It's just really crazy. But we're gonna see how this goes. So Blizzard Thrasher taking on Bree. So Chance versus Bree. Yet again, but Chance just has Thrasher now. So we're gonna see how it goes. There's so many different elements of Thrasher. It's crazy. Alright. Big hit. Ooh, Bree takes it. Bro, dude, this is honestly a sick dream battle, dude. Especially because they both go to the same high school, dude. You already know. So, yeah. Oh, big hit. Big hit. Oh, big hit. Yo, big hit. Big hit from Bree. With the balance. The bounce, and ooh, Blizzard takes it by a little bit. Alright, 1-1. Boom. And yeah, dude, we're officially in dream battle mode. You already know. Big hit Blizzard. Blizzard with the stamina, and it gets it out. Alright, that is 2-1. Alright. Bounce. Break! Bree, hammer, smash! And that was not a good launch. Alright, big hit. And, yeah. Thrasher takes it. Alright, 2-2. Alright, 2-2. Boom. Alright, it's 2-2. Boom. Hammer smash. Ooh, big hit. Oh, big hit. Uh-oh, big hit. Uh-oh. Sticking around. Getting the hits. Getting the hits, and it goes down 3-2. This is intense. Yeah, dude, we are officially in dream battle mode. Alright, boom. And boom. Oh, big hit. It's 3-1. Oh, Bree. You gotta hang in there. And ooh, that was honestly close. I'm gonna call it a draw. I'm gonna call it a draw. Call it a draw. Boom. Still 3-2. Boom. Hammer smash. Oh, big hit. Big hit. Gotta get it off balance, but it wasn't enough. That's 4-2. So can Bree's Hammer Dranzer get the 4-2 to come back and win it? We're gonna see here, dude. Can he get the 4-2 to come back? Gonna get the 4-2 to come back. Oh, big hit. Yes! Alright, you know what? I'm not gonna count that one. It's 4-2, so can Bree get the 4-2 to come back and win it? Alright, boom. Alright, we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, come on, Bree. Big hit, and damn it. Alright, 5-2. Alright. Like, I know these two both go to the same high school, but like, come on, dude. Like, bro, come on, dude. Like, come on, dude. Dude, we're officially at the dream battle stage, dude. And retakes it. Alright. 5-3. Alright, boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Oh, big hit. Big hit. 5-4. Alright. It looks like Bree is mad now. She's definitely gonna get some payback. Alright, 5-4. You know, it's honestly just who gets the better launcher. You know, in my opinion. Thrasher. 6-4. Boom. 6-4. 6-4. That's 7-4. If Bree goes down again, I'm gonna call it. Boom. And boom. Yeah, if Bree goes down here, I'm gonna call it. And Thrasher skid it. Alright, 7. Wait, what is it? 7-5. 7-5. Alright, boom. And boom. 7-5. Alright, big hit. Big hit. And draw. 7-5. Boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Oh, he's got it. Oh, it's getting out. It's getting out. And Thrasher takes it, man. Yeah, dude, that's it, dude. Chance Hope is just too strong, dude. Yeah, dude, Chance Hope is just too strong, dude. Yeah, dude, but Blizzard Thrasher takes the win over Hammer Dranzer. Yeah, dude, the power on this thing, dude. Like, Chance Hope just shows it, dude. Like, it has the bounce driver, but you already know. Like, it still doesn't play. You know, dude. It's honestly a stamina type. You already know, so, yeah, dude. So, the battle of the high schoolers, you already know. But they barely, yeah, they barely don't talk anymore, you know. They know one another, but, you know, they just don't talk, you know. But, yeah, dude. But, anyways, dude, the Chance takes the win over Bree. You already know. Yeah, you already know. But, anyways, hope you guys enjoy. This was a really, really intense battle for sure, dude. Like, it shows, like, they're both, like, they do, like, it doesn't really matter who wins or lose at this point, you know, because, like, Chance and Bree, they both have the same level of power, you know. Like, I just think, in my opinion, like, if I had a stronger launcher, I would definitely think Bree would definitely took the win. But they're both equal in power, you know. Honestly, the bounce, getting it out in a major way, or, like, scraping in a major way, causing it to, like lose its balance in a major way. But honestly, yeah, but both of these guys or girls, you know, well, technically boys and, well, females and males, you know, well, they're honestly strong in a major way. But yeah, but y'all already know what I'm talking about. But anyways, but Chance takes the win over Bree. This was intense, you know. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash subscribe down below. Let me know how I did. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for some epic content, because I'll be able to ring that bell or caption to be notified when I upload a video. But anyways, guys, I'm your boy Kim signing off. See you guys there. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks. I'm stay awesome and go about here, man. Got a couple of more dream battles to do. Well, technically not a couple. I got a lot of dream battles. There's so many dream battles that I want to see with this Bree and a couple others. You already know from the double BU plus system. You know, I still got a lot more to do. So you already know, man. But anyways, guys, I am out of here. Damn.